Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this paint by line camper. And I chose to paint this in kind of a Christmas theme, so I'm going to go in first and I'm going to base coat the top of my camper in the color Barn Red. And all the paint I'll be using in this video is Dixie Belle chalk paint, which can be purchased along with our cutouts on buildacross.com. Now I'm going in and just painting my windows, and I'm going to paint those in Colonel Mustard. Now I'm going in and painting the center of my tire, and also the bottom of my camper and the door in Savannah Mist. And if you're looking for a good light gray color, this one is my favorite. And then lastly, I'm going to go in and paint my tire black. And then that will complete the first step of my project. I always like to base coat, then outline, then highlight. So this is base coating. And I'm just going to go in and freehand a little Christmas tree in the window, but don't stress this. I just kind of used my brush to go left and right, just little downward strokes to make my Christmas tree. And then I'm going to go in on the top part, and I'm going to add this little black line, kind of like a scalloped. And I'm going to do that, like add little Christmas lights to it. So for those lights, I'm going to use the color Cobalt Blue. I'm also going to use Evergreen. I'm going to use Colonel Mustard. And then I'm also going to use red, the Barn Red that I used at the top. And then I just went in and added a little bit of white dots using the bottom of my paintbrush to add some lights to my Christmas tree. And now that that's dry, I'm going to go in with a Sharpie brushstroke marker and outline everything. And I'm also going to use my marker to go in and do a little bit of writing on the bottom of the camper. And you can do whatever you want to. I painted a really small one for an example, so hello was all I could fit. But on the larger size ones, you'd be able to fit your last name or Merry Christmas. And now I'm going to go in and highlight everything with the color Cotton. And that just kind of brightens everything up. And then that'll complete my project. I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.